What's in the other one? What's in Mama's purse?
Another reason to
What you doing?
Is this your purse?
Uh-huh.
Other person here? What?
What you digging in my purse?
What? I'm been looking for my sunglasses.
How your sunglasses get in my purse?
You put it in there.
No, I did not.
Yes. What's in there? Your sunglasses?
Another sunglasses.
You got 3 glasses in here?
What's in the other one? What's in Mama's purse? Did you open all of it?
No. I'm opening in the what's inside, what's inside, and what's inside.
What's inside? What's inside? So what did you find?
Find more sunglasses.
More sunglasses.
I find 3 sunglasses. And
What is that?
Other purse?
Other purse. Another purse in a purse.
This is a giant purse. How you get this in there?
What else did you find? What is that?
I don't know. I don't know, Mama. Let's put this back. And let's figure this out.
Let's figure it out, huh?
What is this?
It's a hand lotion.
Hand lotion. Yeah, I remember that. Yeah. Hey, why just keep opening? What is this now?
It's another cream lotion.
Green?
Yep.
Lotion on your lubricant?
It's for you.
What? What is this?
It's a bag lotion.
Body lotion?
Mm-hmm.
You have a lot of birds in there. What is this?
What is that?
Let's figure it out. Other sunglasses. And here, setting.
Yes.
This person was in this. What?
What is that?
I don't know.
Take it out. What is that? Figure it out. What is it?
Huh?
A cell phone holder.
So bundled. Camera.
It's the camera.
For underwater.
Mm-hmm. Underwater camera.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It works underwater.
Mm-hmm.
Let's put it back in there.
Mm-hmm.
What's inside again? Magic. What's inside going to be magic?
Magic.
Going to turn the other one in here?
Mm-hmm.
What's in it? Nothing.
Nothing.
What's in here? Nothing.
Okay, close it.
Why I have nothing?
I did not put anything in there.
Why?
I don't know.
I'm not on the back. What's in here? What? Just your glasses on? How do you take this out? What do I do?
Mm-hmm.
Or Filipino.com.
Filipino.com?
Mhm.
How it's Filipino.com?
I want to put this on the front.
We got it.
I got it.
Okay.
And this one. It's on the back. Your money?
Money.
Whoa! I'm going to borrow one.
Borrow. You gonna borrow one money?
Hmm?
What you gonna do with about one money?
I'm put it back.
What else did you see in there?
I'm going to get the water purses what's in there. What the world? This is not a supply. Are the glasses? Let me check the other one. This one. Sunglasses?
Okay.
No, this one. Have one more.
Mm.
Oh, they're sunglasses! Oh my god! Wait, get them me!
What else in there? What's on the small purse that you take out on my... The one on your behind you. Right there. What it's all in there? I'm gonna do it. Let me see.
I'm not checking this one.
You did not check it out yet?
It's a prize.
It's a surprise. What surprise?
Get this out. Mine or yours? Hey, how do you get this out? Let me get out. It's too heavy. Let's see what's in it. Hey, what is it? What is it? Oh, surprise for me? It's for me?
Surprise.
Yeah! Can do this. Can do this. Mama, look.
It's a
just like
tripod.
this. Tripod. How do you take this off? Tripod. Remember that? Right.
It's a gimbal.
Gimbal. This is a gimbal for tripod. It's a robot gimbal.
Robot.
Robot gimbal.
Mm-hmm.
Woo! Thing. Woo! Gun. 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 In. Dun. Look. Woo! Get to that. I'm gonna try it.
Later. Okay. What else? What else in my purse?
This is a surprise.
Mm-hmm.
What's this? This is a prize. Two prizes. What's this? Light up. Can you open this, Mama? Yeah. Where is it?
Fuck you.
What is it? What this is batteries for it? Yeah.
It's not batteries. It's all cords.
Cords?
Yeah. All charger.
Charger for this? Yay!
Okay. What else on my purse? What's inside?
Listen.
Now here.
This is
What is that? What is that?
medicine.
Medicine. What is that?
Paper towel.
Baby wipes.
I see right. Let me open this.
No, you cannot open that. No, you cannot open that one. You open it this way. But you cannot open it. It's only a wipes. Leave it alone.
How you going to
No, don't
take
don't mess on it.
What?
What else?
Over
Kala.
here. Over here. Oh, yeah.
No, it's no more in there. Don't.
Nothing in here.
Mm-hmm.
I feel something. I feel something.
It's napkin.
It's not.
Oh.
Just there. Oh,
It's just paper.
yeah. That needs to belong in the trash can.
What else in there? It's not belong to the trash can. What is that?
Some
Sanitizer.
wires. Ah!
Bag lotion.
The lotion.
What is that? Whose medicine is that?
Right.
Yours.
Referred my butt.
Hand lotion. No more. There's more. Pen.
Pens.
Pens. A lot of pens. What else?
What's in there?
What's in there? Coupon.
Keep on. Keep on.
Coupon.
Why you put everything in here? For your trouble?
Trouble ka diharon.
What? World?
What is that?
I don't know.
It's a petroleum jelly for lips.
For none and yours?
Mm-hmm.
Why you not put it on my lips?
Your lips is not cracked, so it's only for winter time.
Only for one?
Mm-hmm. Are you done on my purse? Is it no more? Okay, now put it back.
I'm done on this one.
You cannot put it back anymore, huh? No.
You put
Okay, say bye-bye na.
Bye-bye.
What? How you gonna say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
No, said thank you guys for watching.
Thank you guys for watching.
You need to look in the camera. Come on, take two.
Thank you.
Okay, say thank you guys for watching. Look in the camera.
Thank you guys for watching. Bye. How you put this back?
Take three. You need to say. Thank you guys for watching. If you're not
Thank
subscribed on our
you,
channel, please subscribe.
Bye.
Okay, now take 3. Okay, say it.
Take 3.
Okay. Thank you guys for watching.
Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye.
Hey, you forgot something. Say if you're not subscribed to our
Our
channel.
channel.
You look in the camera.
You need to click that bell. You not